How to get rid of fleas and bark dust. Bark dust is the pulverized bark of trees, which creates very attractive dark reddish-brown mulch. It provides a lush and saturated layer of color to surrounding front yard and backyard landscapes. Many people use it on the ground to give areas surrounding bushes and trees a finishing touch. Even though it is a cost-effective way to spruce up the yard, bark dust does have its downfalls. One problem it creates is providing a home for fleas during cooler weather. To rid your outdoor environment of fleas, use flea control in areas where bark dust exists. Things you'll need: yard and kennel spray, garden hose. Purchase a brand of yard and kennel spray and attach it to the garden hose. Make sure the attachment from the spray and hose are well connected. Turn on the water. Push down the tab on the nozzle until it locks into place. Make sure you turn the nozzle into the position. Spray the yard and kennel spray onto the bark dust and any other areas near the bark dust. Apply the spray evenly throughout all areas where fleas may hide. This includes surrounding grass, trees and shrubs.